Hi. Were you making cookies?
Yeah.
Yeah? What did you do? You have flour on the walls?
No! Mess! Yay!
Yay, mess?
Yeah. Huh?
But you're a mess.
Dada!
Yeah?
No! Ada!
You want what?
Ada!
You want to see yourself?
Yeah.
Can you see what a mess you are?
Yeah. Dada! Ada!
No.
No, Ada.
No.
Do you have mess on your head?
Yes.
What were you making cookies for?
Mess.
For Santa? You're
No.
making Christmas cookies?
Yeah.
What does Santa say? Ho,
No.
ho, ho.
You say that, Amina?
No.
You say ho, ho, ho.
No.
Oh, please?
No.
What does Santa say?
No.
No? Santa says no? Are you being shy?
No.
Did you make cookies for Santa?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think Santa will like them?
Yeah.
What do you think Santa will say about the mess?
Oh, mess. Yeah.
He'll say, uh-oh, did Amina make this mess?
Yeah.
And then you'll have to say, oh, Santa, I'm sorry. Right?
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
I love you.